Welcome back to Overheat, Hyundai Motorhome, 2026. Exterior design, panoramic windows. The inside will be flooded with natural light thanks to the large windows on the sides and back that will be standard. Access doors. To facilitate easy access to the inside, the major side doors will be either broad conventional doors or automatic sliding doors. LED lighting, LED technology will be used throughout the exterior lighting system. Luxurious, adaptable, and ergonomic interior design. Superior and eco-friendly materials. Hyundai will make use of premium materials with opulent and environmentally responsible finishes. Small and practical, the kitchen features a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction stove, a microwave, a refrigerator, a freezer of a respectable size, and clever storage for groceries and culinary tools. Fixed bed. Smart storage space. Hyundai will install under-bed drawers and above cabinets to maximize every available space for storage. Performance and efficiency. Eco-friendly and strong. Effective diesel-gasoline engine. High-powered, efficient diesel or gasoline engines will continue to be the preferred option for some markets. Better fuel efficiency and short-range electric driving are to benefits of hybrid vehicles have PHEV. Electric BEV. Hyundai is introducing a motorhome that runs entirely on electricity. It will have a sizable battery pack, a competitive range, and the ability to charge quickly. Suspension system. Enhanced suspension for stability and comfort, particularly on uneven terrain. Wheel drive. All-wheel drive AWD and rear-wheel drive RWD are options for strong traction. Smart cruise control with stop and go, lane following assist, blind spot view monitor, rear cross-traffic collision-avoidance assist, and highway driving assist are examples of advanced driver assistance systems. ADAS, automatic, climate and lighting. For maximum comfort and efficiency, sensors for temperature and light will turn on the lights and automatically regulate the heating and cooling. 5G connectivity for an in-car Wi-Fi hotspot.